Hey friends, this is Souramita. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are staying safe and healthy. Today, I'm gonna paint a beautiful sunset mountain landscape using watercolors. Here I'm using Camel watercolors and Faber-Castell watercolor brushes. I have already covered the edges of the paper with masking tape. I mixed Prussian blue with Crimson Lake, and with this mixture of these two colors, I'm painting the first layer of this watercolor painting using a flat brush of size 6. For the lower portion of the sky, I'm using Indian yellow. Now I distinguished the horizon using Crimson Lake, and I'm blending this to the lower portion of the page. Well, I mixed Crimson Lake with Prussian blue, and I just making a gradient of Crimson Lake to blue color by gradually increasing the concentration of Prussian blue. Well, now I'm done with the first layer, and now I'm gradually adding more and more layers of the colors so that the painting becomes more pigmented and saturated. Now I'm painting the sky with more colors using a round brush of size 8. Well, I'm painting the upper edges of the sky with more Prussian blue, and then gradually changing the color gradient from blue to Crimson Lake. I'm adding some details of clouds on the sky by a mixture of Crimson Lake and Indian yellow. Now I have taken a wet flat brush to blend the sharp edges so that the sky looks very smooth. Well, I'm adding some colors also so that the sky looks smooth and more pigmented at the same time. Now I'm painting the mountains with Prussian blue color. Now I'm painting the mountains with a mixture of Prussian blue and ivory black. Now I'm applying black directly to create contrast between the nearest and the far mountains. Moving on, now I'm painting a tree. I'm painting the leaves of the tree by just gently tapping the brush on the paper, and here I'm using a round brush of size 2, and I'm painting the tree using the same black color. Well, I'm adding more and more branches layer wise, and I'll just paint this tree from top to bottom. Also, I'll keep this tree very detailed. You can see there are some gaps between the leaves also. So I have kept gaps more on the outer part, and I kept the color more saturated, more dark in the inner parts to create a shadow from the inner part to the outer part. I love to add details on the leaves of a tree. Comment below, how do you feel? Do you feel the same way? Okay, now I'm done with the tree and I'm moving towards adding some grasses. Now I'm adding some final details on the leaves of the tree, and this is the last step of this painting. The colors are dry and now I'm removing the masking tape. If you really enjoy this video, do like and share the video, and please subscribe my channel because it motivates me a lot. You can also find me in other social media platforms. All the links are attached in the description box, and don't forget to subscribe my shorts channel. Comment your thoughts on the final outcome. Bye.